Hello. Today I would like to talk to you about a simple approach to juicing. You know, I lost my parents both to cancer a few years ago, and I really truly believe that it was partly due because of their diet. My mom was kind of a creature of habit, and she cooked really good food, but she had the same things week after week. One night she'd make spaghetti, one night she'd make hamburgers, one night it would be chicken. But it would be the same thing over and over again. And I really noticed that there wasn't a lot of variety. So in her vegetables, she'd have corn, maybe some green beans. There was always an iceberg lettuce, maybe some carrots. But again, week after week, it was the same thing all the time. So I started thinking about juicing. So, you know, our bodies need nourishment. And, you know, these raw foods and vegetables are a really good way to get that into our bodies and to prevent disease. All right, so when you cook all these fruits and vegetables, sometimes they lose the nutrients. So the best way to get these into our body is by juicing them. And again, we're going to get them raw. So you couldn't sit down and eat all these in one sitting, but guess what? You can sure drink them. So I'm going to show you a simple way to do this, all right? So what I do is I go to the store and I buy all my ingredients. I wash everything, and I try to have everything organic, all right? I know you can't always get organics, but do the best that you can do. If you can only get carrots, then get the carrots. If you can only get the lettuce, then get the lettuce, but try to get some organics into your diet. So again, I buy everything, I wash them, okay, pat them dry, and then I put everything in a baggie like this, okay? So in the morning, sometimes I'll wake up and I'll start with, I call it a glass of sunshine. And I'll start with carrots, some tangerines, maybe an orange, fresh ginger, and fresh garlic, and red pepper. I call that, again, my morning sunshine. And in the afternoon, I might have a pick-me-up, and that'll consist of parsley, cucumber, green peppers, maybe some kale. Spinach is a must. And also, I will put lemon and garlic and ginger. And that garlic and the ginger are really good detoxifying for your system. So I'm going to just whip up a really quick little juice to show you how easy it is. And again, if I have it all ready to go, all right, if I have it all ready to go, it guarantees me that I'm going to have probably 1 to 2 juices a day. But if I have to go and cut them up every time, guess what? I'm not going to do it. So again, let me make a juice for you real quick here. All right, we're going to turn the juicer on. I put a little plastic here in the container back here. This is where all the fiber is going to get extracted and it's going to get back in here. And then I just throw this away so I don't have to clean that part of the juicer. So I take the plunger out, put my vegetables in, and press. Juice. Isn't it gorgeous? And voila, I have fresh juice. Enjoy. A glass of sunshine. Enjoy, ladies.